Drop it.
And good morning, everybody. Anthony, Caesar, DePon, Caleb, Shankster, what's up? Spencer, just chilling. Gary, what's going on? Angel, Belly, Moonboy, alright, usual suspects here. Matthew, what's up? Lofty, alright. Richard Petty, yo, what's up? Frank, how you doing? How you doing? Alright, so let's turn our sights on over to the chart. Today we had some data, some good data, right? GDP, hey, people are spending money, businesses are investing. So how does the market react to that, especially considering that September, everyone's speculating that there will be a rate cut? We shall see. Anita, good morning. So, Papa Pow, what you gonna do? What you gonna do? Anyways, Bad Boys. I saw the last one. It was actually kind of funny. Bunch of old men. It's weird, right? Because it's like, I can relate to these dudes. This is so funny. Anyways, wrong one here. Wait, 1 second, guys. When I go to display, it's giving you a logo, and it should not give you a logo, which means I have to change the display settings. So let me just change the display. There you go. All right. Now we're back. All right, we're back in action there. All right, so we're cool. Oh my God. You know, I need a tech team helping me out live here. Okay, so guys, we got your 1348 cross down. We're below the 200. We're looking for trades to the downside. Okay. Yeah. Rock, paper, scissors. We're gonna settle this like adults, man. Settle it like adults. All right. So we are below the 200 EMA. Now, you know, guys, I want you to think about it another way as well. And let me just change this back to, we're going to change this from the EMAs to super trend. Okay. Let's see. Let's get that done here. For whatever reason, Hot Potato said, hey, yeah, I'm releasing an update. And I removed my indicators and I updated, and well, everything just looks like crap right now. So I gotta go ahead and change everything. Super trend, yes. Laser eye, okay. Whatever. Anyways, Jed, guess who's back? What's up? Scout QQQ 463, 20%. Nice. What is wrong with my chart? Where the hell would I find my super trend option? Trend style setting. Yes, it's where am I finding that? It in 1348, right? I just get so lost in all of this. Hot Potato, we gotta figure out a way to like streamline this. There you go. Thank you. Thank you. I set my settings and I just completely forget them. I'm like, okay, where is everything? So, still doing big things off Sesame Street, brother. Love to see it. Jed, yes. No more Sesame Street. Maybe. All right, Fat Mac, what's up? Okay, so now we're back in action, guys. We got Super Trend here. I prefer Super Trend over the EMAs. Only because I feel like with EMAs and our colorized candles, it's a bit redundant bit of information. Now that the candles are red, we know that we've broken away from the EMAs, and what we have is additional bit of information with Supertrend, which gives us confluence, right? We have MACD cross down or slight below its moving average and below 50, so therefore we have more information to add to that confluence there. Supertrend down, price action, red candles coming on down. Target is 1.15. Oh, wait, 1.5. That's a 1.5 to 1. That's basically what we will be targeting here. That's what it looks like. That's what it looks like we will be targeting. And let me go on over to this here. Trade designs to levels. Let me set that there. There you go. Much better. So now we could see that that is going to be 1.6 as we hold down to this level. Boys and girls, levels are undefeated. Let me go ahead and change my levels here so they stand out a little more. Go to predictive levels here. Just orange. Let's change it to orange there. So it stands out a little more. You guys can see my levels better. Or do you need it thicker? Okay. I think that's decent. All right, so we are going to target a 1.6. I did not get into this play. I'm late for this play, so I do not chase this play. A lot of you yesterday were chasing the play down and or expecting a reversal. How many of you anticipated the reversal yesterday? Come on, let's be honest. Hands up. Did you get it? Oh. I'll be honest, guys. It's days like yesterday that literally wreck accounts. Days like yesterday where the trader is insisting on the reversal and is chasing a candle into a possible reversal as opposed to waiting for confirmation. And, you know, green candles, super trend up, price action above the 200 EMA, right? So on days like yesterday, it's either you went with the trend or you didn't trade at all, right? Christopher, good morning. So we do have the level here at 1.6, and I think we're just going to hold tight, see what happens here. For those who are already in this trade, that may be your target and or you are protecting your gains, at least at this point, right? But 1.6, anything over 1%, you're done. So who took this trade in? Who's up 1% of the morning so far? Let's get some hands. All right, yeah, Gary, yes. Up 15%. Jeez, Gunshell got stepped out. All right. Wow, Patrick, me, done. Yes, yes, 1% done. Nice, nice. All right, we got the 1% crew. You guys know what it is. 1% compounded daily over time. Just financial freedom is inevitable. And so that's why we say, hey guys, look at when you're in a trade, you want to target 1.5 to 1. 1.5 to 1 is what's going to keep you on the right side of math over time with averages, right? So there you go. You got your 1.6. The system works, guys. There is nothing that the system or I owe you beyond that. And so I would say, hey, check greed at the door. Okay, leave it alone. Once you make your money, guys, leave it alone. Now, for those who insist on being greedy, of course, you go ahead and take your stop. You bring it right at this level since it's come on down. And then really ask yourself, what's better? Seeing the money rack up here or seeing the money rack up in your P&L? One more time. What's more important, seeing the money rack up in a trade or seeing the money rack up in your P&L? When you actually realize the profit, you rack it up in the account. Exactly. Exactly. So that's why I say, sometimes yeah, it's okay to be greedy, but you want to see it rack up with realized gains in your P&L. Otherwise, it's just for your ego in the moment, right? It's just for your ego in the moment when you start seeing the gains and you're like, oh yeah, I'm making all this money. Of course, you got a 1.5 to 1. It looks like it's approaching the 3 to 1 here, which is pretty insane, right? Um, but hey, look at over time, over time, the 1.5 to 1 and the 3 to 1 isn't really going to make much of a difference in your overall journey, and that's what I want you guys to understand, right? The 1.5, the 1%, the 1.5, and the 3 over time doesn't really alter your journey much. It may skew averages in the short term, but over the long term, it really doesn't do much. Okay. Um. All right. So we have possible support here. You see how the candle, if we look closely, the candle looks like buyers are stepping in here. We got the wick right now. This is a very, 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 very large candle. Uh, this candle alone is about 80 points, 70 points. Let's go ahead and measure this right now. That whole candle was 87 points. So you've had to suspect a bounce. Now, is that looks like a data candle? That looks like a data candle somehow, right? Just really, really weird. So let's sit on our hands, guys. Now, if this was Steady Hall, I'd jump right in because there's zero lag at Steady Hall, and I know some of you would probably just jump in with me. I would jump in, but I'm looking for something to happen. Um, I do have this stream on ultra low latency, so I don't know. It's let's do a test. Let's see how fast YouTube's ultra low latency is. So I'm gonna throw up a number, right? I'm gonna throw up a number, and then I want you guys to respond in the comments. Okay? So you guys respond in the comments. Let's see how fast. Oh wow, that was pretty fast. That was pretty fast. Oh, okay. Usually latency is like 15 to 30 seconds. Yeah, that was pretty fast. Ultra low latency, not bad. That was pretty fast. Um, okay, so here we go. So I'm gonna play slightly larger, guys, because I gotta make money. Um, we can see this. This is twice. So what I'm going to do is wait for. I'm waiting for this. There you go. Waiting for that a little bit, and then now I'm gonna go buy side with this, right? And I am down. That's why I say do not do this with me, guys, right? And now I'm up. Right now I am down. And QQQ tanking. Interesting. Not really too concerned. It looks like we've found this level here, and if I lose 2K here, I lose 2K. It's fine, but I'm actually going to hold this one out. All right, please don't do what I'm doing, guys. Yes, this is where the fun happens. And yeah, that's more than my stomach can handle right there. Right. But let's see. Looking at my indicators here and how everything's going, I'm chilling. Let's go ahead and look at thesis for the trade. Well, I'm looking at everything just being really, really overextended. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and let this trade sort of kind of like marinate, let it do its thing. I understand there's drawdown here, and this is the beauty of trading small. This is why we do trade small, guys. So I'm just going to hang out here, let the market do what it has to do. And then what I'm going to do is probably uh, start scaling in once my thesis is confirmed. So I'm not really too worried about it. Now, what I want to do is go ahead and check out ES. Now, for those in study hall, guys, we follow the rules 100%. Okay, 100% we do with study hall. So let's go on over to ES. Let's see what we can do here. Maybe hedge a little bit with ES, buy myself some more time, or not. Who knows? So I'm going to head on over to ES here. And that is a big candle. Big, 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 big candle there. Nice aggressive candle. And let's go ahead and see. How much has ES moved from the very onset there? That's 26 points, or basically a half an ATR. Ooh, yeah. A lot of depth there. So what we can see is everything is in fact overextended, even with ES. Now I could go ahead and be a contrarian right here, which would, for me, make a whole lot of sense. For me, it would make a whole lot of sense to be a contrarian, considering how aggressive these candles are. Okay. Again, don't do as I do. This is not study hall. I have no obligation to any one of you guys at all. I am trading live. Study hall, I have an obligation to you guys. That's why you pay me for study hall. But here, I have an obligation to my port and to feed my family, so I'm going to do what I do best, which is trade. Fair enough, guys? Fair enough? Maybe? Yeah? Alright. Alright. So, here we go. We got the bounce like I wanted or expected, again, from those aggressive candles on ES. Now we have a level here. We got a... should I? Should I not? Should I or should I not? Alright, so what I will do here is jump in on ES. So now I'm in both ES and NQ. And yeah, this is where I feel like the market has found itself, and this is where we will get our pivot. I feel like the market's like died enough from yesterday. A lot. The market died aggressively yesterday. So I'm just hanging out here. That is all I'm doing, guys. Just hanging out. Let me see. How are we doing here? Not doing too bad here with NQ. Although I missed. It just scalping some profit there. It looks like the wick came all the way up. It broke through 1921, which is my entry. It was 21. It gave me a nice big wick up there. So what we're counting on, guys, for me is that this is all oversold. It is all oversold. And so that's what I'm looking at here. You guys see, yeah, there's some drawdown there, about $7,000, $6,000 down. Let me go ahead and zoom in. I have no shame in my game. Why isn't that working? The zoom in feature is not working. Wow, okay. Interesting. I don't know if this is blurry for you guys, but let me see. Let me see if I can fix this. Okay, so let's see. Oh, there you go. It works now. All right, guys. So we're going to hang out here. You guys see I'm down. Woo-wee. A lot of fun here. A lot of fun. But I'll be okay. So let's head on over to ES and see what ES is doing. I'm not dollar cost averaging at this point. No, I don't really care to. So with the ES here, also down. So this is, yeah, this could be a $15,000 swing. I know everybody's finally watching. Like, Gabe, what are you doing? What are you doing, Gabe? Gabe hurts. But just trust me on this, guys. Trust me on this. And so this is also shameless plug here. Shameless plug. This is also one of the reasons why I'm not a big fan of a prop firm. Okay? The reason why I'm not a fan of a prop firm is because we're limited. Yeah, price is still going down. We're limited. And there's another level there. Now my thesis is, hey guys, yep, that's where it was. I got filled there with ES and Q. Perfect. All right, I'm good. So now what we have to do is wait patiently, and then we're going to take it all the way up. You guys in the Discord will then see my piano a little later today. It's probably going to be, uh, this has got to be next level trade psychology. Well, you got to trade small to win big, and all things are relative, guys. All things are relative. So you got to trade small to win big. Let's see. That is it. 30 contracts of ES. Yeah, that's small. 30 contracts is only 15K, dude. That's 15K in margin. That's nothing. That's nothing. Um, Beauty of own funds, not having to deal with. Yeah, you don't have to worry about drawdown. Like, you guys have seen me. You guys have seen me take 70K into 800,000 yesterday, and then I took money out. I secured the bag. I'm trading with free money. I really don't care. Right? That's trade psychology. Um, so we're just gonna wait patiently, see what the market does. We're just hanging out here, like whatever. It really is overextended. I can't, guys. You look at this. You can't really say like the market deserves to be down here. You can't really say the market deserves to be down here. Right? Yeah. You know what this is too. So we're gonna go ahead and let the market die, and then we're gonna come back in. It's gonna get cheaper for me, and as it gets cheaper, then I'm going to jump on in, scale in, and go, 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 go. Okay. So let's see. Yeah, it's going down still. Patience, guys. Patience. It's gonna be one of those days. Well, I can't wait to show you. Can't wait to show you guys. I wonder if I should just live stream the whole fucking day. Right? Richard Petty is like, crash. No, no. I'm just wondering if I should live stream the whole day. I do have. Let me see. What time is my first one-on-one today, guys? And shout out to the Longevity Club. Shout out to the Longevity Club. We have some students in the Longevity Club that are just freaking killing it. Um, let's see. Who do I have today? I got Raymond at 11. Yeah. Yeah, I'm booked here. I got. Oh my. Okay. One, two, three, four, five. Five. Drawdown will always kill you. Drawdown will always kill you. That's why, like, for me, it's just not worth it. No, I can't reschedule those. I can't. I can't do that. That's not fair. They pay. They pay big money. I'm not rescheduling them. You guys don't pay me nothing. Like, let's be fair here. So let's go ahead and we're just gonna wait now. Right. I'm gonna start. I'm gonna look for some weakness here in MACD. Yeah, Matt, book yours. Um, we're gonna wait for some weakness there before we jump back in. So I was proved wrong the other way, and that's fine. Let's head on over to NQ. Oh my God, guys, I'm gonna make so much money today. I'm gonna make so much money today when I nail the bottom. This is gonna be the easiest money ever. Yes, yesterday was a great example of don't trade against the trend. 100%. Yeah, I'm not gonna reschedule you, man. Don't worry. I'm not rescheduling you. Ford got whacked. Let's go ahead and look at Ford. What happened here? Ford's still trading within is $11. I mean, this feels like last year. Oh boy! Wait till I see what he does yesterday. I can't wait. Okay, so this is actually 17% though. Damn. Okay, I'm just like I know these numbers. I usually accumulate at 1134. And I'm like, oh no, 17%. Oh no. Is the Kamala effect? Ugh. Um. Let's see. No bounce. Yeah, no bounce. Um. Yeah, yeah. I mean, this is an accumulation area for me. Oh, that's expected. EV is just getting wrecked right now. EV absolutely wrecked. Tesla trying to figure out what they do about their. So Tesla has now become less than 50% market share in EV here in the United States. And then it got BYD on the other side over there in China, just literally waiting, trying to figure out what do they do? How do they do it? How do they penetrate the market with the tariffs? Now, Trump comes back into office. It's not good news for BYD, right? Because those tariffs are going to remain elevated and probably go up even more. So, yeah, 100% tariff. Woo! It's still cheaper after the tariff. I know that's how they're building $15,000 cars. So NQ showing weakness. Well, we're starting to get some weakness here in well with Ford here, right? Let's go to ES and let's see what ES is looking like. All right, that was essentially the pop I was looking for. Here we go. Let's see what NQ is gonna do here. Oh boy. Yep, that was the pop. You see, can't stream and trade at the same time. Just can't. You can't. Um, Remember, this is what I was looking for, guys. The weakness here in the MACD. That's really what I was looking for. So, jeez. Okay, let's try this. All right, we're good. Can't Chinese EVs sell in other large countries? Yeah, they can. Pretty sure they can. Pretty sure they can. Uh, well, I mean, BYD is already the largest EV manufacturer in the world. Yes, they're super aggressive. They're super aggressive. That's why, like, Europe and the United States are like, whoa, 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 whoa. Because if you take the leash off of BYD, they're going to destroy Ford. They're going to destroy, yeah, the big three here. Yeah, it's gonna be fun today. I am just like can't wait to show my stats later. This is gonna be fun. 5 year warranties. I think here in the United States, most don't really care about the warranty. I think the what's that? The average life of a vehicle here in the U.S. At least no, the average life of a vehicle is something like 10 years, but average ownership, I believe, is less than that. It's probably half of that. Um, Here we go. Looks like market's coming back up. Yay! And some soybeans. Bullish now. Soybeans? Ugh, soybeans? Batteries are garbage. Yeah, you gotta be careful with that. You gotta be careful with suggesting that the batteries are garbage if we've never owned one. Solid state is what everybody needs. It's what everybody needs. But I mean, we've been doing pretty good with the current technology that we have now. Let's see. Now, what I'm going to do is see what's going on with ES. Is there anything going on? Let's check it out. So, yes, we got the bounce, right? So, this is guys, if there is any argument against a prop firm, it is this. How many times you may have been right, right? How many times you may have been right in a trade, but drawdown got you before you were right. Come on, let's see some hands, right? This is why there's students who are leaving prop firms and funding their own account, and they're seeing incredible results working with me, right? You're right all the time. Yep, the drawdown just gets you well before your thesis is correct. And so that is a major, major, major disadvantage with prop firms, right? So with prop firms, you cannot speculate, and that's something you guys need to understand. You cannot speculate with prop firms. You have to react. You have to react to what is actually happening. There isn't like, oh, okay, well, I'm going to enter here and see if it comes up. You don't have that privilege with a prop firm whatsoever. I think Apex lets you know 100%, like, bro, you don't have that privilege. That trailing drawdown is a beast, an absolute beast. Okay, so you got to be mindful of that, guys. You have to be mindful. Here we go. I'm gonna be having some fun today. Yes, sir. I'll be having fun. Um, Mike, what's up? So skincare ads, and it creates this anxiety for future trades that causes you to close out early. Absolutely. So because Apex is weaponizing a trailing drawdown, right? It forces you to trade scared, and you're never really getting good reps as a trader. There you go. You see it there in the comments. And then you got, fucking idiots like Patrick Weiland who's constantly promoting it, and treating it like a lotto and not really being transparent about it. Like, yes, Do we have a link for those who are going to go ahead and say, hey, yeah, I'll take a stab at yeah, a prop firm? Yeah. Do I prefer Top Step over Apex? Absolutely. But even then, they have an end of day drawdown, which is 3,000. So how do you have a $3,000 drawdown on a $150,000 account? Oh wait, that is not a $150,000 account. Oh yeah, he's getting bank over there. Patrick, I mean, good on him. He's getting bank, but there's no fucks given about his performance, right? If anything, let's have him do his own account. I mean, I'm transparent. This is, you guys. You saw me lose. You saw me lose, and here we are. Here we are. There we go. There we go. This is, and so I'm currently, as it stands right now, just a little bit above break even on a day. Okay. Now I'm really, really, really profitable. So where's my target? Well, just hold. Right? That was my thesis. My thesis is that we'll have a correction. So now up 20K here. Um, I think Top Step is going to remove the DLL. So daily loss limit? Really? There you go. It's not a 100K account. It's a $3,000 account. So yeah, here we go. I'm just trading the way I trade, guys. Um, up 23, and I will go ahead and add to my trade here. Um, this is just hanging out here. They were talking about it yesterday. So is that a real move, or is it just something to get people talking about them? Right? Is it something to get people talking about them? Is that a real move? Right. So the beauty of having your own money, you guys see that there's 26,000, 27,000. This is the way I trade. This is the way I trade, guys. So what you guys saw me do initially was 15 contracts, and I kind of got smoked. I lost about 8K on that trade. And so now I've made it up. And what this is basically like a 3, 4 to 1, and I'm happy about it. I'm happy about it. Up 31,000 right now. 33. Oh. So where do you guys think I'm going to take profit at? If you guys know the system, if you know the system, where am I going to take profit? Now this is a very, very aggressive candle. I'm going to be mindful. There you go. That other side just making me uncomfortable. I have to go ahead. Uh, Excel is also a super trend level. So I'd be taking profit at about 19097. That's where I'll be taking profit. That's what I'm aiming for. 1909775. We're gonna hang out there and just that right there. Okay. So that's what I'm hanging out for. Yeah, just let the market do what it has to do. So you guys are that level in China Excel actually very, very, very close, guys. It's very, very, very close up here. Very, 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 very close. Moon Boy, nice. The spy call paid. There you go. Um, let's see. What else is going on? Anybody else doing anything cool today? Anybody doing anything cool today after they've made their money in the market? Anybody have any recommendations of activities that you could do after you've made your 1%. Uh, no, if your market's not looking good, I mean, I don't know. Jump in your pool. Tried pickleball yesterday. Try me to play pickleball. Hmm. PS5. There you go. Feed your brain and body. There you go. Take a walk. Go hiking. Right, Beat Saber. The Beat Saber's fun. Take the dog for a walk. Go to the beach. Anita's always going to the beach. I guess that's all there's really there to do in Hawaii, right? It's like beach, surfing, get bit by sharks. Smile all freaking day because you did what you needed to do. Absolutely, Fabiana. You gotta love it. Arvin, punch a brick wall? Arvin, why would you do that? That sounds very like. Huh? NCAA 25. Beat up on some 12-year-olds. Oh, Jesus. Yeah. Oh, man. Until he tells you get a job, right? because a 12-year-old who has the right to be home instantly, he's going to be like, get a job, old man. Uh, Here we go. Some nice games here, guys. I mean, uh, I try not doing this live all the time because, yeah, I, I get a lot of complaints and people feel like there's a lot of pressure to keep up with me. I'm gonna tell you guys, please don't keep up with me. This is why in study hall I trade small, so you guys can trade with me. But I mean, that's where we're at today. That's 41,000. I think yeah, I think I'm gonna close it somewhere around here. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Should I? Is that 38, 36? It hit Excel. It hit Excel, right? That's what we were gunning for. Guys, that's what we were gunning for. We were gunning for Excel. I said, guys, if you know the system, what are we gunning for? Everyone said Excel. Yes, take profits. 31,000. I left 10K on the table. Let's see if we get a little more movement. There we go. We'll zoom on in here. Right. 37,000. Here we go, guys. 37,000. You guys see me lose, you're going to see me win. Right. 40K, take it. Liggy's like, take it. No, we're at 41. We're at 43. All right, now this is just stupid. Now this is where I have fun. All right. This is where I have fun. You guys are watching this trade. Everyone's like, take it, take it. It's 46, 47. I want to be up and even 40,000. I want to be up and even 40,000 on the day. We're at 47, right? Because I did lose some the other way. We're at 46. Okay. Um, I'm from Honda Civic to Lexus money. Yeah, and there we go. We'll take that. We'll take that. That was it. Ah, we have fun today. Oh, fun. Ah, that was fun. So, right there, Excel. Let's zoom on in. Let's see if we can get this. Get this in. There you go. So you guys see, like, it was Excel right there. Hey, you guys already knew. You guys already knew right there, right? Like, hey, that's a line, that's a level to be respected. We knew that, right? That's why the system is undefeated, and that's why I personally am really the best trader on YouTube, period, bar none. Nobody does it like this live. It lets you join in on the excitement, Right. For me, guys, trust me, when you're not around, it's just like boring. I'm on the phone with Hot Potato, like, yeah, I'm just gonna play this bounce. Yesterday, I bottom ticked the first bounce, like nailed it for 25K when the market was coming down, right? Just knowing you can make someone's yearly income in 15 minutes trading, like you just did, should tell to hop aboard. Careful with that. Careful with that. Careful with that. There's a reason. There's a reason I say careful with that. Right now, the real MVPs. I want to show you guys who the real MVPs are. These are the real MVPs. Let me show you. Um, let's see. Let's pull them up. I work with them every single day, every single day, and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna see. Ooh, he said. Wait till you see what I did, Raymond. I'm gonna pull you up, brother. What did you do yesterday? All right, this is who the real MVPs are. I'm gonna show you guys something. Raymond, we'll talk about your trading. We'll talk about it. Okay. Um, but guys, I'm looking at the comment section here, but Ray. Now Ray's the real MVP. So we have a one-on-one scheduled later. This was his performance last month in Longevity Club. Guys, this ain't about me. The stupidest thing in the world is to think that you can perform at my level. Like, yeah, I'm promoting a system that works and you can scale into it, but don't think you're going to come in and go dollar for dollar with me. I've been doing this for over 15 years, right? But for me, it's no longer about the money, right? JMAC, dope. It's no longer about the money. It's the people I work with. I actually get more excitement. What the fuck? I just swallow a bug or something. I get more excitement, seeing the success of other people. It's just true, right? I shared with Hot Potato all the time. The success of other people. Okay. Trade size equals huge gains. Trade small to win big. Your port. So my port is all relative. You gotta pay your dues, scaling. But here we go, guys. This was Raymond last month. Raymond, 2.35, $235 lost, won 28% of his trades. Profit factor 0.45, only won 25% of his days. An average win loss 1.13. So when you come and work with me, we go ahead and get your stats. And we look at your stats, I go into your stats, and I tell you immediately the things you need to improve with both your mechanics and your psychology. So who wants to see where Raymond's at, like, this month right now? Nah, no one cares. Raymond, no one cares about you. Who wants to see some hands? Anybody cares? Let's see. Everybody's like, hey, let's see. It was quiet. My psychology definitely needs improvement, yes. Well, so that's where Trade Camp comes in. So, guys, reach out to me, send me a DM directly. Um, and we can figure out what we can do with online Trade Camp this weekend. And then we'll figure out, how else we can help you. But, okay, so now let's go to this month. And he's a different trader. All right, he is a different trader. Made $456 this month, right? Won 57% of his trades. Profit factor. Let's go to last month. 0.45. Literally 5x this profit factor. This month, there we go. Won 73% of his days and his average win loss has ticked up to 1.81. Mathematically, he is now sound. He has a trading career. That's what you need to be successful. That's what you need consistently, long term. And that's why I like to use month to month. I don't care about your winning day. Yeah, I've seen traders win $5,000 in a day and then lose 15 the very next. The very next. I love working with the guys and I love seeing these results. In fact, let's see. Let's pull up my boy. I wonder if he's in the stream right now. I wonder if he's in the stream. Let me see. What is he doing right now? So, let's see. Okay. Okay. Right? Won't play. I want to show you something else. Richard, are you in the stream? Richard? Okay. Let me show you Richard. Richard, something ticked with Richard. Last month, lost 2,600. Profit factor 0.55. Only won 35% of his days. And 0.52. This was last month for Richard. This month it finally clicked. And here we go. Night and day. Right or wrong, guys. He's up 3,500, 65% winners. Profit factor 2. Solid. Average win loss over a 1. So what's happening right now with Richard is he's averaging up, right? You're going to see his average win loss start skewing up, okay? So this is what I love. This is what I do Longevity Club for. This is what I do my one-on-ones for. This is why I sit there and I listen to all the nonsense because there's some who are just like, yeah. And for me, I'm just like, it's like the Charlie Brown, when he's sitting there and the teacher's like, wah, 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 wah. That's all I hear, right? When you stop talking and you start listening, that's where I get you. That's where I take you. That's where you're going. That's where you're going with this system. You stop talking, start listening. I'm going to get you there, okay? I have countless examples. You know who I haven't checked out in a while? Let's go ahead and see. Let's see. Let's see how our very own hot potato, hot potato is doing. And there's something going, what the hell? No, that is not your account. Why is everything? Huh? It says last time. Oh, no, this is the bot. Sorry, this is the bot. We'll talk about the bot another time. This is not hot potato. Oh, man. All right, so let's talk about Ari. Let me show you Ari. Another member. This is great. I love Ari. Ari's always been a pretty good trader. But let me show you. So Ari's a scalper. And last month he made $704. He had some red days here. Allowed himself to lose more. Okay. Has a high win rate because he's a scalper, right? So unfortunately, guys, when you're a scalper, this metric here, your average win-loss, is the most important. You have to win, and you have to cut your losses. Like, you have to cut them, right? Otherwise, a loss can destroy you, right? Potentially. Now, his trade expectancy last month was $22, right? $22. Now, let's go ahead and see what it's like for this month. We're going to see this month. Mike, shh. Booyah! Even my man, see, even Ari, who's a scalper, we made him a better scalper. And this is because And this is because the system. You have to be able to submit to it. So if whatever your trading style is, the system's going to help you. Here we go. This is Ari this month. For me, his trade expectancy, that's what I'm looking at. 48.7, damn near doubled. Okay. Again, this is gonna happen because guys, he's scalping, but he's scalping with far more confidence, and he has not had a red day this month. Right. So I could go ahead and talk about how good of a trader I am, but that matters no longer. I make my money, guys. I'm fucking loaded. I'm just loaded. Really, I am. It's no secret. But it's working with these guys and working with you guys that helps you, to see you get to that next level, to see that the system is making an impact in your life, right? Belly says, Gabe, I need to be a better scalper and close all entries. Just stop leaving your runners in there, man. That's it. Um, man, we got a lot of people just really doing some months to months, man. Just really fucking killing it. Um, we got Alexis. I'm gonna throw you under the bus, Alexis. Let's do it. So this is Alexis, guys. My thesis is now over 100K for my last trade. Dope. But it is what it is. I made my money. I'll make more tomorrow. Okay, so this is Alexis last month, 46% win rate. Made $292 with a 1.16 profit factor, 166% of his days. And of course, that's his risk to reward, right? So let's go ahead and look at this month here. And again, slightly better, right? Slightly better. Now, what we look at here is 3 days red so far. If we go to last month, let's see how many days red. Oh, a lot more days red. Okay. So I like what he's doing, but for the most part, remaining consistent. And I'm not mad at that. So good job, brother. Yes. And that's it, guys. I think the stream's done. I really don't. Woo! That would have been so much money. Oh God, look at this trade. Jeez. Oh yes, yes. Good money. Good money. That was good money right there. Oh well, whatever. All right, guys. Be safe out there. I'm sorry for the drama that I caused this morning for anyone who like jumped in the trade and maybe had a prop firm account and got burned on it. Sorry. Use your own funds or don't listen to me. All right. I'm a professional. Don't try this at home. Now, study hall. You guys see in study hall, I trade very, very small. I go into M and Qs. I go into NQs so you guys can follow along. It's very, very, very different there. Okay. So, see you guys on the next stream, huh? No, I don't spend it. I'm not really a spender. I'm not really a spender, man. I just peace out, guys. And we're out of here.